Introduction. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of plant-based nutrition and gut health through the lens of the groundbreaking book, Fiber Fueled by Dr. Bulsiewicz. This book is not just a guide, it's a transformative journey that emphasizes the incredible power of fiber in our diets. Dr. Bulsiewicz, a gastroenterologist, passionately argues that fiber is the key to unlocking optimal health, and he backs it up with science, personal anecdotes, and practical advice. Fiber Fueled focuses on how a diet rich in plant-based foods can enhance gut health, improve digestion, and even boost your immune system. Dr. Bulsiewicz explains how fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in our gut, which in turn can lead to a myriad of health benefits, including weight management, reduced inflammation, and improved mental clarity. As we explore the insights from this book, you'll discover how incorporating more fiber into your meals can be both delicious and life-changing. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just curious about how to add more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your diet, this video will provide you with the knowledge and motivation to make those changes. So stick around as we uncover how fiber can truly transform your health and well-being. Understanding. Fiber. Fiber is an essential component of our diet, and it comes in two main types: soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. This type of fiber is found in foods like oats, beans, apples, and citrus fruits. It plays a crucial role in lowering cholesterol levels and stabilizing blood sugar, making it particularly beneficial for heart health and diabetes management. On the other hand, insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and adds bulk to our stool, helping to keep our digestive system running smoothly. You can find insoluble fiber in whole grains, nuts, and vegetables like carrots and broccoli. This type of fiber is vital for preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Both types of fiber work together to support a healthy gut microbiome. By feeding the beneficial bacteria in our intestines, fiber helps maintain a balanced gut environment, which is essential for overall health. A diverse and thriving gut microbiome can improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and even boost our immune system. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into your daily meals is easier than you might think. Start by adding fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes to your diet. Not only will you enjoy the health benefits, but you'll also discover new flavors and textures that can make your meals more satisfying. So let's embrace fiber and unlock its potential for better health. The science behind fiber. When it comes to understanding the health benefits of fiber, scientific research provides compelling evidence that supports its importance in our diets. Numerous studies have shown a strong link between high fiber intake and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. For instance, a large-scale study published in the journal The Lancet found that individuals who consumed more fiber had a significantly lower risk of developing heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. This highlights fiber's protective role in our overall health. One of the key ways fiber contributes to health is by impacting blood sugar levels and cholesterol. Soluble fiber in particular has been shown to slow down the absorption of sugar, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. This is especially beneficial for those managing diabetes. Additionally, soluble fiber can help lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, which is crucial for heart health. Fiber also plays a vital role in weight management and promoting satiety. High fiber foods tend to be more filling, which can help control appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. Research indicates that diets rich in fiber can lead to greater weight loss and maintenance as they encourage healthier eating habits and prevent overeating. In summary, the science behind fiber is robust, demonstrating its significant impact on disease prevention, blood sugar regulation, cholesterol levels, and weight management. Embracing fiber-rich foods can be a powerful step toward achieving better health. Practical tips for increasing fiber intake. Boosting your fiber intake doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a few simple strategies, you can easily incorporate more fiber-rich foods into your daily meals and snacks. Start by including specific high-fiber foods in your diet. Think about adding beans, lentils, and chickpeas to salads, soups, or stews. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are excellent choices for breakfast or side dishes. Don't forget about fruits and vegetables. Berries, apples, pears, carrots, and broccoli are all fiber powerhouses that can be enjoyed raw, cooked, or blended into smoothies. Meal planning and preparation can also make it easier to enjoy fiber-rich meals. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals, focusing on incorporating a variety of high-fiber foods. Prepare snacks in advance, such as cut-up veggies with hummus or a mix of nuts and dried fruits, so you always have healthy options on hand. Batch cooking fiber-rich dishes like chili or vegetable stir-fries can save time and ensure you have nutritious meals ready to go. As you increase your fiber intake, it's important to do so gradually. Sudden changes can lead to digestive discomfort, so aim to add fiber-rich foods slowly over several days. This allows your digestive system to adjust. Remember to drink plenty of water as you increase fiber, as hydration helps fiber do its job effectively. With these practical tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the many benefits of a fiber-rich diet. Common myths about fiber. When it comes to fiber, there are several common myths that can lead to confusion and misinformation. One prevalent misconception is that fiber causes digestive issues, such as bloating or gas. While it's true that some individuals may experience discomfort when they suddenly increase their fiber intake, this is often due to a rapid change rather than fiber itself being the culprit. Gradually incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet along with adequate hydration can help your digestive system adjust without discomfort. Another myth is that fiber is unnecessary for certain age groups or lifestyles. In reality, fiber is essential for everyone, from children to seniors. It plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health, regulating blood sugar levels, and supporting heart health, regardless of age. For active individuals, fiber can also aid in recovery and help sustain energy levels. Additionally, there is misinformation surrounding fiber sources. Some people believe that only whole grains provide fiber, but that's far from the truth. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of fiber. For example, a single cup of raspberries contains about 8 grams of fiber, while a serving of lentils can provide over 15 grams. By diversifying your fiber sources, you can enjoy a wide range of flavors and nutrients. By debunking these myths, we can better appreciate the vital role fiber plays in our health and encourage everyone to embrace a fiber-rich diet. Conclusion. In today's video, we've explored the incredible importance of fiber for our health and well-being. We discussed the two main types of fiber, soluble and insoluble, and how each plays a unique role in supporting digestion, regulating blood sugar, and lowering cholesterol levels. We also highlighted the scientific research that links high fiber intake to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, emphasizing that fiber is essential for everyone, regardless of age or lifestyle. We provided practical tips for increasing your fiber intake, such as incorporating high-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your meals and snacks. Remember, it's best to gradually increase your fiber consumption to avoid any digestive discomfort. And staying hydrated is key to reaping the benefits of fiber. As you move forward, we encourage you to take action by making small changes to your diet. Start by adding 1 or 2 fiber-rich foods to your meals each day and watch how it transforms your health over time. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from learning about the power of fiber. Together we can spread the word about the importance of a fiber-rich diet and support each other on our health journeys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.